Hello everyone, it's day 7 of the Tonic Studio Cyber Sale, and I'm going to be telling you what's available on the Tonic Studio store today at big discounts. First up, we have got the Tim Holtz travel media mat on the store. This wonderful compact surface, perfect if you're on the go or you've got a little craft room. Next, we got a mega Nuvo sequin, confetti and glitter bundle at 75% off. There's 17 pots in total. Those 35ml pots, you get loads in there, so a big deal there to be had. Your Craft Perfect bundle for the day is a card blank bundle, and we have got loads of card blanks all at 60% off. And finally, we've got our gift box bundle, which is 2 very special gift boxes at 50% off. So well worth getting those if you're packing those Christmas treats up for your loved ones. So there you go, that is day 7 of the Tonic Studio Cyber Sale. Join me tomorrow for day 8 for more wonderful deals on the Tonic Studio store.